YouTubers again. So I thought I'd do a quick nighttime bedroom tidy up. I need to change my sheets badly, and my bedroom's a tip, so I just want to give it a quick tidy and a clean and a hoover before I go to bed. The time is currently getting on for 10 o'clock, I think, so I'm going to make this as quick as possible, so hopefully it'll give you a little bit of cleaning motivation. Yeah, so please do like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and do comment. So the only products I'm going to use are Mr. Sheen again, because it does all surfaces, as you can see, and it smells quite good, and my 2 polishing cloths. I've got more than that, but they're the 2 I'm using tonight. And then I'm going to put some Neutradol on my carpet before I hoover, and it'll make it smell nice. It's a carpet deodorizer, and it's a fresh pink. So yeah, the world's #1 deodorizer. So there it is. So without further ado, let's get to it. By the way, if you watch my makeup videos, you might have noticed my hair's darker. I have dyed it. I did get round to dyeing it, so that's why it's darker, and it's a complete mess because I'm trying to grow it. So I'm laying off the straighteners and just putting oil in it daily, in the hope that it'll condition it up and hurry up and grow and get long again. So let's just get to this bloody cleaning video. Finished. Right, that has taken me just over an hour to do. It's 11 something now, and I'm way ready for bed. It's a lot better than what it was, a lot better. I've changed the sheets, I've hoovered, I've dusted, I've put stuff away, but I need to organise a lot better. So I'll just give you a pan around of the bedroom, what it looks like now. But I forgot to do a before pan of how it looked, so that's a bit of a shame, but hopefully you'll get the gist of it from this video, from the fast forward. What am I on about? It's late, I'm tired. Right, I'm just going to show you what it looks like now. So this is, get me out of that mirror, this is where I do my makeup tutorial videos. I say makeup tutorials, they're makeup reviews rather than tutorials. I'm certainly no pro at doing makeup anyway, but this is where the magic happens of the makeup videos. On top of my tool unit, which has come undone, I painted that years ago. I have a thing for old furniture and doing it up. Also that years ago I did that up as well, but as you can see it's worn over the years. But that's my dressing table. Yep, that I've never got around to doing that up, but that is a proper original it's late, I forget what you call it, but yeah, this is the floor all hoovered. There's Bobo down there, but he is not sleeping up here tonight, no way. This is a dog free zone now. They are not sleeping in my or on my bed at all. So yeah, oh pardon me, that's a earphone box, headphone box. Don't know why I'm telling you what the items are, but that's my nice clean sheets ready for me to get into. Yeah, I'll just turn the lights off. A bit more cozy. Turn this off. Up, down. Turn this off. Let's make it cozy in here. Oh yeah. So it's looking a lot better. It's kind of romantic, I suppose you could say. My bedroom is. It's a bit different, cluttered, you could say. Very cluttered to some people's tastes. Let's dim the nightshades. And then dim this side. You stay, bye-bye. You stay. La, 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 la. There we go. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, I'm going to sleep well tonight. Definitely. As for that, as my TV, I can't get it down. So if you ever see it in my videos and think, why the hell is her TV up all the time? Is she too lazy to put it down? No, it's not. It's because it's bloody broke. Something to do with the electronics. So it's been like that ever since I moved here, which was, God, it'll be 4 years this August. So yeah, that is it. That is it. All ready for Betty. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate the watches, the views I get. I don't know why, I just like making content, but when people watch it and they actually enjoy watching it, and you know, and if it gives you a bit of motivation or whatever, I don't know. But I hope you've enjoyed it. Please do like. If you haven't already, subscribe. And until the next video. Oh, I forgot to say my next video. I have some more products to review. What is in the bag? See if you can guess what I've got in the bag. It's makeup products. But see if you can guess what sort of makeup product. Not the brand, but what I've actually got in the bag. That will be my next video, I should imagine anyway. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm going to bed. Good night all. Have a good sleep. Have a good day, whatever it is. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Until the next. For fuck's sake, shut up. Bye. Wow, that is actually really good. If you look in the background, there's washing up. There's last night's cooking dish. Just washing. Appliances everywhere. It is a really tad bit of a mess. Everywhere. Plastic, metal, glass, wood, magnolia and cherry blossom flavour. So I can hold my kitchen window with this because you can do glass with it. Multi-purpose, brilliant. Yeah, I feel really over made up. So it's all clean. All clean. I know. It's not too bad in the better light actually. Get a bit creative I think. Treat my face like the painting canvas. Yeah, we'll see. Whoa! Oh, they're tickling my eyelid though. They're huge. They're obviously stuck on a magnetic thing on there. Look, they are well cool. Right. Oh wow! Look at these, Tegan. Oh my god, they are tickling my eyelids though. God, I'm gonna have to get used to these. Shitting hell, they are big. Fabulosa, and this one is orange flavour.